today we're trying to make candied pomelo peels. If you watched my Instagram page, you've seen me do that already, but actually I burnt that part. I forgot about it. I was busy editing a video for you guys. So I completely forgot about it. Burned it to crisp and it was gone. So time to try again. Here we go. I've already weighed these. We have exactly 500 grams. And with a few cuts that I didn't want, we got 450 net weight. So we're going to add about 450 grams of sugar. Maybe 500 grams. We'll see if we can get a little bit more in. These have been boiled for 15 minutes roughly. You can now see through them. So let's give it a try, and I'll just drain the water, wash the peels, and put some sugar in there. These are the peels. The peels have been washed nicely. They're clean, very translucent compared to their previous state. And I've added sugar. I'm going to top it off with water. I'll turn the heat on and we'll start cooking. I won't show you the process because it's quite lengthy. So we'll start now. I'll show you pictures on the way and the final result, of course. Well, our jam is getting there. I cooked it for an hour plus, about an hour and an hour and a half, and it's getting there. At the very final stages, this is where you don't want to burn your jam or candied peels. You just want to dry them a bit more because right now they're a bit soggy and wet. I just keep cooking them on fairly low flame, about half-sized on a large burner. At this point you have to mix every 10-20 seconds if you don't want them to be charred on one side and still wet on the other. And the way to know that you're getting there is that you're starting to get a residue of jam / sugar on your pot. So in due time, when I see that these are getting drier and drier, I'll just stop and let them cool off, and then we'll put them on parchment paper. So I think this is the first time I'm getting it right. Well, we'll have to wait and see and test it, but I did try and make attempts at that, and I got them either very bitter or with an amazingly bitter aftertaste, because when you taste it the first time and you give it a bite, and the taste is wonderful, and after 20-30 seconds you get a horrible bitter aftertaste. And even if you like bitter drinks like I do, that's not edible. Okay, so I'm starting to see they're being singed a bit on the ends. I think it's time to turn off the heat. And I'll have to keep stirring although the heat is off, because the pot is still warm. So you have to keep on mixing, distributing. And there's a wonderful strawberry aroma here because I'll show you. Because I'm also making strawberries as well. I'll show you what the final outcome in a minute. I'll just give it about 10 minutes to cool off and relax. I'll just keep stirring and so on. Well, that's it. I've let it cook for an hour and a half, cool for another 15 minutes, and it's now cool to touch, fairly transparent. Let's call it opaque, not transparent. And it's really nice. Still a bit bitter, but it's tolerable. And if you like bitter drinks and if you like bitter food, then you'll like this one. I do like it. It's sweet and bitter, so it's nice. It's very sticky, but it'll dry off during the night, and then we'll have some separate pieces that are nice to chew on. Right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and have a sweet day.